Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use CoWriter to listen to PDFs that are in a readable format. First of all, we're going to come on up to the top and it says Open With. So we're going to select that and we're going to select Annotate with Cami. So while it's opening, what you're going to do is select the text and do an Alt click, which is a two-finger click or a right click. So here's a paragraph that I would like to read. So I'm going to go ahead and do my right click, select CoWriter, then select Speak.
When you are ready to review
If
or
I'm
relay
done listening to it, then I can go ahead and right click again, select CoWriter, and select Stop Speak. And it stops speaking.